The reason for choosing Easigrass was quite simple, really. It was the best option out there. Call to the install was very, very easy, as it says in the name. They were very quick to get back to me, they were very quick to come out, and it was a very, very fast service. I can't fault them at all. I had several other people around to have a look, and I have to say they were much quicker, much simpler, and the price was fantastic. The artificial grass system, I think, is fantastic for someone who's got a very busy lifestyle, like we all have these days. We're all very busy, and time is very precious to us, especially with a young family. So at weekends, I'd rather spend my time with my family rather than in the garden cutting the grass. We went for the pad system because we have young kids, so it's a very cushioned, soft feel underfoot. In the winter months, when it's sort of muddy and wet and horrible, when the kids really can't play that well on the grass, or they end up dragging everything indoors. That's the main reason. It was about low maintenance. It's about using the garden all year round without having any problems with regards to sort of weather and conditions. And I think we will just make much better use of the space. The outcome is fantastic from what it was before, with lots of the grass and the sort of granules and all the rest of it for the play area. Now it's one piece and it looks fantastic, neat, tidy. I couldn't be more pleased. I wouldn't have any worries at all recommending Easigrass to anyone. I think they're a fantastic company. They've got great values. They're almost a family business. The guys that work here and the people that run the show are fantastic to deal with, and I would be more than comfortable to recommend it to anyone. They've done a fantastic job for us and a good service.